So this is gonna be the tour of this basement. So right now I'm just outside the entrance. Okay, I mean just I entered. So this is sump pump. The mechanism, like those who have lived in basement, they know about the basement floodings during intense raining. So what the logic is, when water flows there with the stairs, it's a below grade, it's gonna come here and then it's gonna throw the water out, so it will protect basement from flooding. And before I go any further, let me show one important thing. Like, I have got this canopy installed. Now why I have done it? To protect during winter and raining. During winter, when you have severe snowfall, below grade places will be filled with snow, but with this canopy it's gonna protect. That's why I had it installed. Okay. Now after entrance, this is the furnace room that I have here. Now it has got major appliances, my upper furnace, hot water heater. So this area is gonna be inaccessible, absolutely inaccessible to the tenants, those who live. I'll be putting a warning over here. I cannot lock it, I cannot put a lock based on the legal requirements, but I can definitely, I'll put a, like, this is gonna be included in the agreement that this area is not accessible. There'll be a warning here, stick, and also I will have sensors and cameras installed inside. If anybody enters this room, I'll come to know, and that will be like breach, privacy breach. Okay, now this is tap connection to the backyard water. People turn it off during winter. Okay, now we are here in the main hall. This is the washroom, all new, never used, exhauster, mirror, everything. It has got bidet too. These are new appliances, Vesta 860 CFM range hood, electrical GE range, GE top head, refrigerator. Okay, and we have centralized fire alarm, one in that room as well. So if one of these alarms go, all the alarms in the all rooms of the house, including the upper area, are gonna go as well. This is laundry area, and this is going to be the dedicated to the basement. Now some of you may ask, what am I doing here if this is dedicated? So well, the one I have upstairs is of 24 inch, this is 30 inch. So when I was coming here to work in the basement, I thought let's utilize this and reduce the number of times I'm gonna run. Coming to this area, this is bedroom. This is fire escape window, egress window, that it is called. Okay, and yeah, this is floor clean out. In case of flooding, water can go out from here. This is electric panel. Again, this electric panel is also gonna be inaccessible. I will not lock it, but yes, I will have sensor and other things installed. If this is opened without my permission, I'm gonna come to know. Okay, so now I also need some ideas from you guys. Like, what I want to do is I want to provide some storage place here. Like, I want to buy a wooden wardrobe. I would not place it in a way that it blocks the access to this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place something here. Okay, something here I will place. Okay, and also one I will place coat holder near the door, so that those who enter the house, they have access to that also. And this is a complete legal unit. All inspections, everything passed by the city. Let me know guys what you think about it. Thanks for watching this video.